My Future Classroom by Alyssa Rotondi. Ever since I was a little girl, I've always wanted to be an elementary school teacher. I was always inspired and motivated by my teachers, and one day wanted to do the same for other students. Now that I'm on the path to becoming an educator, I wonder what my future classroom will look like. Will it look like my classroom when I was in elementary school, or will it be filled with 25 computers, wires, mouses, keyboards, and long cords wrapping around everywhere? I hope that it will be a mix between the two. I want my classroom to be bright, colorful, and inviting. This will include many posters representing what we are currently learning in class, artwork, inspiring quotations, and bright bulletin board designs. My classroom will be a safe, open place where my students can share their ideas without fearing they will be criticized or made fun of. In my classroom, no question is a stupid question. I want my students' seating arrangement to be in somewhat of a half circle so everyone in the class will feel included and able to hear their classmates' contributions to the discussions clearly. I want to have a reading corner set up where students can look at different books and practice their reading skills in a comfortable area in which will include beanbag chairs. This is something I had in elementary school and really enjoyed. But since technology is becoming so prominent in our world, I imagined to have an iPad or digital book for students to read instead of the traditional paper books. This will also benefit the environment since less paper will be used. Along with books becoming more obsolete in the future, I believe chalkboards will also disappear, which for me is great considering I'm allergic to chalk dust. I like to have interactive whiteboards in my class to incorporate technology, and I believe it will keep my students more engaged and excited to participate in the lesson. I also would like to have a projector in my classroom for PowerPoints and video presentations. I think when students are presented with visuals like these, it helps them learn and understand the content better. Even though technology is advancing, I do not see young elementary students needing a cell phone or each needing their own laptop in my classroom just yet. A laptop in front of a child all day can become more of a distraction than a resource. I will incorporate technology by going to the computer lab once or twice a week to do a lesson such as a web quest. My classroom will be a comfortable and stimulating environment for my students to flourish both academically and socially.